copy trade. Copy trade. Copy trade. Trade. WeMasterTrade.
Good day everyone, no matter where you're tuning in from, whether you're just starting your morning, already in the middle of the trading green, or relaxing at the end of your day. Welcome to our global live stream. I'm Ralph, your host for the next 2 hours, and on behalf of the entire WeMasterTrade team, I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's section isn't just another presentation, it's a real conversation, a chance for you to step into the engine room of one of the most fast-growing and forward-thinking funded trading firms in the industry. And of course, I'm not here alone. Joining me are two outstanding traders who have shaped the cultures, visions, and standards of WeMasterTrade. They are not only skilled professionals, they are mentors and leaders within our community. First up, the ever-composed, always insightful Helen. Welcome.
Thank you so much, Rob, and hello to everyone. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with us today. I'm really excited for this session because there's so much we are going to uncover, not just strategy or rules, but the entire ecosystem that WeMasterTrade has built. This is a law firm that doesn't just fund trades, it's a build trader step by step from starting out to scaling to earning.
And next to her is someone known for sharp analysis, clear logic, and absolute no-nonsense chart reading, strategy, results, and one of the strongest voices in our trading community. Please welcome Annie.
Thank you, Ralph. Hello to everyone in the chart. I'm genuinely thrilled to be here. What excites me the most is that today we're going to unpacking everything, not just what WeMasterTrade offer, but how you can truly take advantage of each part of our system. Packages, promotions, scaling, payout structure, all of it. If you have ever had question or doubt, today is your chance to ask.
Exactly, whether you are completely new or already a funded trader with us, today's live stream will give you the full pictures, not just the highlight reel. We are going to walk you through what WeMasterTrade truly is, what we believe in, how our programs are designed, and why we operate differently from traditional brokers or platforms. And just to be clarified, this isn't about selling you anything. This is about helping you understand what you are signing up for, how our structure works, and how you can use that structure to not only succeed but actually scale.
Let's start with something important, the story behind WeMasterTrade. WeMasterTrade was built as a funding project, not as a broker. That difference matters. Broker profit from volume of clients' losses. WeMasterTrade profit only when traders succeed. We provide capitals, take on the risk, and share profits when you perform. That philosophy is the backbone of everything in our system.
Exactly, and that philosophy serves our trading packages as well. Today we will walk through each package, who it designed for, how to choose the right one, and what to invest. If you ever look at our packages and talk which one fits my style, you finally get an answer.
And beyond just explaining, we're doing a live side-by-side comparison, pricing, account sizes, smart drawdown, consistency rules, payoff timelines. Reading numbers on a website is one thing, understanding the intention behind those numbers is another.
And once you understand packages, the next big question is always, how do I stay compliant while trading? So we will dive deep into the rules, especially the daily loss limit, how it's calculated, why floating profit and losses matters, and how to avoid violation, especially overnight. We'll also break down maximum total loss, the consistency ratio, and clarify common misunderstandings around trade sizing and risk per trade.
And I won't just explain rule, I will share real experience from my early funded trading days. Mistake I make, adjustment I learn, and how the rules are actually there to protect your growth, not limit it.
And of course, we will go through our current promotions, discount costs, support campaigns, capital, and show you exactly how to qualify and submit properly.
And finally, we'll talk about the scale-up plan, one of the most underrated features of WeMasterTrade. Many traders don't realize there's a structured pathway to grow into higher capital tier. With consistent performance, you don't just get payout. You actually climb toward becoming a six-figure funded trader.
And speaking of growth, let's talk about one of the strongest engines behind long-term income at WeMasterTrade, the profit sharing model. This is the heartbeat of what makes a difference from every typical broker firm out there. When you trade on a funding account, follow the rules and generate profit. We share that profit with you, and not just smokers up to 90%. But here the thing, the percentage is just a highlight. What really matters is the payout circle, the threshold, and how the timeline works. And we'll break it all up down today so you can know exactly how to maximize every payout opportunity.
Now I know a lot of you tuning in today aren't just traders, some of you are mentors, educators, community leaders, or you simply have strong networks. So we are also diving into our affiliate programs, and we are doing it transparently. We'll walk you through how commissions are calculated, how referrals are tracked, and most importantly, why you need to qualify for payouts. That include a full explanation of the true referee rules and the minimum funding requirements. No confusions, no surprises.
And that's super important. We have huge growth in affiliate activity lately, which is awesome, but we want every partner to feel clear, confident, and also responsible with the way they promote. When you understand the system, you are not just earning commissions, you are building a long-term sustainable income stream.
So, as you can already tell, this is not your usual live surface level live stream. Today we are going deep into everything: trading packages, trading rules, promos, scale pathway, profit sharing, affiliate opportunities, all with one goal: having you make the smartest, most informed decision for your trading journey.
And We want this to be interactive, not just a lecture. So if you have a questions, don't throw them into the chat anytime. Our moderators are here or watching, and we will answer as many as we possibly can. Your voice matters. This whole live stream is for you.
And if you're watching the replay later, don't worry. We will leave timestamps, summarize, and also you can always reach out to our support team for clarification. They are one of the most dedicated teams I've worked with. They really want traders to succeed.
So before we jump in, let me just say this. WeMasterTrade is not just a platform, it's a commitment. A commitment to build real traders, to fairness, to giving people all around the world a structured, scalable path to turn trading into a profession, not a gamble. So if you're here to grow, to understand, to take action, you are in exactly the right place. Let's take the journey together. Alright everyone, let's begin. And once again, welcome to the WeMasterTrade live stream. And thank you once again for being here with us today. Before we jump into strategy, trading rules, promos, and everything exciting that's coming, we want to take a step back and zoom out for a moment. Because before you put your time, your energy, and your trading journey into our platform, understanding who we are, what we believe in, isn't just helpful, it's essential. And so this next segment is all about the origin, intention, and impact. It's about where WeMasterTrade came from, but what values hold this entire platform together, and how those values transform into real tools, real opportunities, and real outcomes for traders like you. And to walk us through that story, we got two people who literally live and breathe these missions every single day, Helen and Annie. Helen, let's kick it off from the beginning.
Thank you, Rob. To really understand WeMasterTrade, we have to understand why it was created in the first place. Unlike small broker or broker firm that grew out of traditional finance, WeMasterTrade was born with a very specific mission to give capital traders access to real capital, regardless of where they come from, what their background is, or how much money they have in their savings. Talent shouldn't be limited by circumstance, and that's exactly what WeMasterTrade was built to solve. We were founded in 2022 as part of WeCopyTrade Group, headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. WeCopyTrade makes its name through investor networks, copy trading technology, and signal. But WeMasterTrade is work created with a sharper, more focused vision to find higher potential traders, support them, fund them, and scale them, so they can earn professionally without risking their own capital.
There's one key point many people overlook, and it matters. WeMasterTrade is not a broker. This isn't a slogan, it's a fundamental difference in how we operate. We don't earn from spreads, we don't earn from commissions, and we don't earn when traders lose. Our model only works when traders are profitable. That's why everything we've built, instant funding, profit sharing, scale up, is designed with what alignment in mind. We take on the capital risk. We provide the structure and the pathway. Your role is to trade with skill and discipline. When you grow, we grow. But we also know something important. Skills alone isn't enough. One of our core principles from day one has been education first. We don't want traders just to memorize rules. We want them to understand the logic behind structure, the why behind the risk model, and that's why we have invested heavily into our WeMasterTrade Academy, a complete learning ecosystem designed to take our trader from beginner all the way to consistently funded professionals.
And the Academy is seriously something special. We have training that covers everything from trading psychology to risk calibrations to advanced multi-asset strategies, but the best part is it's not just theory, it's built to mirror the real trading environment inside WeMasterTrade. So whatever you learn in the Academy, you can apply directly to your funding account the very same day. And to make sure that everything we build meets global educational standards, WeMasterTrade is proud to be ISO 21001:2018 certified, a recognition given to institutions that deliver high-quality structures and internationally compliant learning systems. It's a big achievement, and it represents our commitment to long-term trader development.
And now that certification is just a word, it's a statement. It shows we're invested in developing trader, not in collecting fee and disappearing like so many firms in this late. While other route firms ride fast and running even farther, WeMasterTrade has a new real structure, stability, compliance, transparent processes, and a team that stand behind every decision. We're not here for a quick way. We're here to help build career that's last.
And that commitment shows in the story we have here every day. If you visit our testimonial page, you will see traders from Nigeria, Vietnam, Canada, the Philippines, and South Africa, even more, all sharing how WeMasterTrade didn't just help them to earn more, but help them trade with confidence and purpose. Some passed challenges after years of being stuck with retail brokers. Some finally escaped the fear of risking their own savings. Some found clarity, structure, and support they have never experienced before. We have watched students turn into full-time traders. We have seen women step back into finance after a long career breaks, and young professionals from underbanked regions, people who were locked out of the market, and now trade with real capitals and real opportunities. That's the impact we care about. That's what keeps us moving.
But the ecosystem goes beyond funding. For traders who want to keep learning, evolving, and staying in tune with the market, we maintain a constantly updated blog section, weekly insights, psychology breakdown, market reactions, platform updates. We believe trading is a lifelong craft, and we make sure our community never stops sharpening its edge. And let's talk about culture for a moment. What sets WeMasterTrade apart isn't just features, it's the mindset we cultivate. Integrity, respect, share knowledge. Whether you are chatting in our Telegram group, watching our YouTube series, or talking to our live support team, you will notice one thing: we actually listen, and we treat traders like partners, not ticket numbers.
And I want to be very honest here. It's more from the trader is not just another customer, but as WeMasterTrade trader is the standard of the entire model. Your performance for the business, your feedback shape the platform, your consistency determine how far we can scale together. That kind of motor accountability is rare, and it's something we genuinely value.
So if you've ever questioned whether this path is real, whether a trading career is something you can actually build, go read the testimonial. Look at the funded accounts and talk to people who have been through the system. The story are real, the capital is real, and the result, they speak loudly.
To summarize, WeMasterTrade is more than a platform. We are a capital allocator, a talent accelerator, and an education-first trading institution. We are here to challenge the status quo in trading assets, to reward performance over emotions, and to create real scalable income opportunities for traders worldwide, no matter where you start. This is bigger than a platform, it is a trading movement, and if you are ready to be part of it, today's livestream will give you the full roadmap to get started. Thank you, Helen and Annie, for that deep and honest walkthrough. Coming up next, we will take this foundation and connect it directly to what we offer, our actual account packages. That means a full breakdown on the different account options at WeMasterTrade, how they differ, who they are designed for, and what kind of results you can realistically expect from each. Now that we have explored who WeMasterTrade is and the principle we stand for, it's time to dive into one of the most important parts of today's section, a detailed discussion on our account packages. For most traders, this is where the journey begins, choosing a structure that aligns with your goals, your trading style, and your current skill level. And when we say packages, we are not just talking about dollar amounts, we're talking about framework for growth. And each bucket of WeMasterTrade represents a different pathway, a roadmap toward building skills, scaling your capital, and unlocking potential. Today we will walk you through every package, explain what it offers, how it's structured, and most importantly, who is it designed for.
Exactly right. As WeMasterTrade, we don't believe in a size-fits-all model. That's why we create two distinct product lines for trader: the challenge packet and the instant funding packet. Each line comes with a variety of account size and configuration, because trader comes with the different strength, risk ability, and timeline. We make sure there are paths for everyone, whether you're starting small or ready to scale fast.
And now let's talk about the instant funding package, designed for traders who are ready to skip the challenge phase and start trading with real capital immediately. Unlike the challenge model, this is for those who already have a test strategy or want to hit the ground running. It's fast, efficient, and it's still structured around the same risk rule and keep the account safe.
In the instant funding bucket, you select an account size 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, or 100,000, and you start trading real funds from day one. The rule is straightforward: 5% daily loss limit, 10% maximum loss, and 1 to 100 leverage. There are no simulated fees. You're already in the funded state, and your profit share up to 90%.
So to summarize, the challenge package is perfect if you want a step-by-step progressions, prove your skills, get familiar with WeMasterTrade risk framework, and gradually unlock higher profit shares. The instant funding package is for traders who want to start with real capital immediately with all the protections and profit sharing benefits intact.
Exactly. Think of this way. Challenge package is going to build confidence, demonstrate skill, and grow progressively. Instant funding will help you trade live capital immediately if you are confident in your strategy. Both paths lead to the same destination, scaling your trading career with WeMasterTrade.
And don't forget, both packages are fully compliant with WeMasterTrade risk management rule. That's our guarantee. You have a clear, transparent path whether you're learning, testing, or trading full-time. The difference is only the starting point, your skill level, and comfort with it.
So, whatever stage you are at, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, there's a WeMasterTrade package for you. And coming up next, we are going to do a side-by-side comparison of challenge versus instant funding, so you can clearly see account sizes, risk rule, timeline, and profit share opportunities.
So, who are the mid and higher tier challenges best for? The $25,000 to $100,000 challenge packages are perfect for traders who already have capital management experience, especially those aiming to scale into larger funded accounts. If you have passed other prop challenges or have a strong verified trading history, this is the natural next step to level up your career.
Every challenge package comes with a one-time fee, for example, just $50 for the 10,000 challenge. Here's the good part, the fee is refundable once you become funded and meet minimum performance conditions, and if things don't go your way, you are eligible for a 30% reset discount, so you can start fresh and keep learning. But what if you don't want to go through a challenge at all and want real capital from day one, earning purely based on results? That's where our instant funding packages come in.
And this is where WeMasterTrade really stands out. The instant funding model is designed for experienced and disciplined traders who want to trade real capital immediately. No evaluation, no demo stages, just live trading, fully backed by a structured, fair, and transparent system.
And accessibility is key. You can choose from several account types based on your trading style, reference, and our goal. Today we will through the four main instant funding packages: the 51010, 510 Euro, 510 OBC, and Customize. We'll compare the detail, and more importantly, we will help you figure out which package is right for you.
Let me set the scenes. On instant funding packages give you live trading access from day one. That means no challenge phases, no evaluations. You pay once, follow the rules, and start trading with capital immediately. And every account, no matter the size, includes no time limits, up to 90% profit share, scale plans over 1 million, support for EA, swing trades, scabbing, and even HFT strategies. Now, let's go package by package. Helen, Annie, I want you to jump in with real advice. Who should choose which package, and what kind of traders have you seen succeed with it? So next up, let's shift gears to the 5-10-10 package, same maximum capital up to 200,000. But now you get 5% daily loss and a 10% overall limit. So why is that important, Annie?
So that extra breathing room is huge for traders who scale into positions or like taking multiple entries per setup. Imagine you are in a volatile market with fast swing. The 5-10-10 rules let you navigate larger moves without hitting daily limits prematurely. It's a game changer for professional style trading.
The profit target here is 10%, perfectly aligned with the higher risk window. And as always, you got fully flexibility. Scalping is new trading, swing trade, SFT, whatever suits your style. This market is more about tolerance and adaptability. It's for one trader who understands position sizing, risk management, and the market timing.
So this package is perfect for day traders, especially those who are focusing on fast-moving assets like Nasdaq, Let's Go, or volatile forex pairs. If you already have a test intraday strategy and want a little extra breathing room for risk, this is the package for you. If you give you flexibility without sacrificing structure.
And it's also great for traders who try with clear targets. That 10% profit goal act as a motivating milestone, keeping you focused and payout oriented. Some traders perform best when they know exactly what success looks like, and this will give you that clarity without feeling restricted.
So to sum up, 5-10-10 for high tolerance, intraday or ambitious traders. Next, we will dive into the 5-10-0 and 5-10-10 WC packages, which are even more flexible for advanced trading style, including EA, scaling, and more aggressive strategies. Now this one is a personal favorite for traders who love trading on their term, the 5-10-0 package. You get a 5% daily limit, 10% overall loss, but 0 profit target. That's right, but chasing you around. Trade smart, trade patient, and let results come naturally.
For traders who try the position overpace, this is poor freedom. You focus on protecting capital, building consistent gain, and grow your account without a arbitrary pressure. Target to trading clean, control, and strategic.
This package is perfect for low-frequency traders and market sniper. If you take 3 to 5 trades a week, each with careful planning, this environment is actually rewards patience rather than punishing it.
And this market is perfect for veterans, swing trader, conscious trader, basically anyone who values consistency over speed. If that sounds like you, that market it feels like home.
And let's face it, not every trader wants to chase target. Some just want to trade cleanly, scale smartly, and grow steadily. This is the package for them.
Next up, for traders who want maximum flexibility without constraints, the 5-10-10 WC package. Andy, correct me if I'm wrong, this one removes the profit consistency rule, right?
Exactly, same as 5-10 risk profile, but no pressure to smooth out your profits. You can hit big wins, take calculated swing, and you are not penalized for volatility in results.
Just a heads up, trade capital isn't allowed, so this is for manual trader only. But for those who enjoy high risk, high reward trading with occasional big spike, this is the ideal arena.
It's for aggressive traders, risk taker, or anyone frustrated by strict consistency rules elsewhere. Trade how you want, as long as you respect the drawdown limits.
And last but not least, the customized package. Think of it as WeMasterTrade saying you define the rules, we fund your strategies.
You can set your own daily lot, overall loss, and even fund up to the 400,000, the largest funding option we offer. It is designed for serial traders who want the total control without compromising on flexibility.
This is premium, all assets trading. You can use EAs, new strategies, weekend holding, HFT, everything. If you have a very specific approach in mind, this is the package that lets you bring it to life. And also, who is it for? Top tier professionals, ex-hedge fund traders, high volume traders, signal providers, anyone who wants a fully tailored trading setup. This package put the blueprint into your hands.
I always say, if you try out a model and nothing fits, the customer package lets you build your own roadmap. This level of freedom is rare in the trading world and extremely powerful for a serial trader.
To wrap it up, every instant funding package we offer is built around clarity, fairness, and real opportunities. Clear risk parameter, competitive conditions, full market access, and genuine profit potential. No artificial time limits and payouts. They can start as early as the very next day.
And here's the best part, no matter your trading start, scalping, swing, or go on renewal, there's an account that matches you. The key is choosing the one that fits your style and discipline. Start building consistency now and the growth compound naturally.
And if you have ever in the fence, our team is available 24/7 to guide you. But here's the real secret. Pick the account that suits your discipline, not your dream. The right fit always outperforms the flashiest promises.
Alright traders, you have seen the packages. Now it's time to tackle the rule that can make or break your account, the daily loss limit. Stay tuned, this one separates the pros from the panic. Getting funded feels amazing, but staying funded, that's the real game, and the number one reason account gets shut down, one thing, daily loss.
Yes, the infamous daily loss. Most traders think they understand it until it's closed their account mid-trade on a Tuesday afternoon. Classic.
But here's the silver lining. When you release rapid, this rule will become one of your best life in risk management. Today, we will break it down step by step with a real example.
Let's get practical. Day 5 balance is $105,000, but equity is $107,000, thanks to some floating profit. Oh, sorry. So can you clarify me a bit? So what is it? The daily loss limit, also called maximum daily loss, sets the hard cap for losses in a single trading day, including both closed and floating trades. Hit it even for a second and your account shuts down automatically.
And here's the nuance. It's always calculated from the higher of your starting balance or equity. That small details is what catches so many traders off guard.
Think of it as safety list. It's not there to punish you, it's there to keep you in the game.
So let's get practical. Day 5 your balance is $105,000, but equity is $107,000 thanks to some floating profits.
With a 4% daily loss, the system calculated so from 107,000, the higher number.
4% of $107,000 equal about like $4,280. Your equity cannot drop below $102,720 that day, or it's auto liquidation.
And here's the kicker, this is real time. The system doesn't wait, dip below for even a second and boom, account closed.
And now flip it to day 7. Balance is $100,000. Equity is $99,000 because some trades are in loss.
Since the balance is higher, 4% daily loss is 4,000. Your equity must stay above 96,000 or day.
Now drop to 95,999. Auto liquidation triggers, no Machicon, no warning, just that.
The system executes a market order to close everything. All trades liquidate, account disabled. You cannot trade again unless you purchase a new package.
And remember, because it's executed at live market price, Sliver can make the final profit and loss worse than expected. That 3,800 loss you can scale into the 4,200 in a second.
That's why we always say don't dance on the edge. Respect the limits, protect your capital, and you will stay funded longer and grow consistently.
Alright trader, let's dive into how to avoid violating the daily loss rule. This is where the pro mindset kicks in.
Tip number 1, know your buffer. Don't plan trade that put you right to the edge of your limits. Leave at least 10 to 50% cushion below your max, especially in volatile markets.
Tips number 2, focus on equity, not just balance. Most traders stare at their balance all day, but if floating losses are dragging your equity down, you are already at risk of violation.
Tip 3. Use the dashboard. WeMasterTrade provides live risk dashboard. Check your loss status frequently. Don't rely on memory or guesswork.
Tip 4, pause after early losses. If you lose 3% in the first hour of a learning session, stop, reflect, don't try to revamp trade back into the green.
Tip number 5, trade smaller during news events. Trading gold during an NFP at full size, that is a fast track to hitting daily loss. Scale down your lots. Dry the post volatility, move safely.
Let's talk about the traps. What mistake do traders make most often with daily loss?
The number 1, over leveraging. Opening trade that's out 5 to 7% of your account, thinking you will exit quickly. When it's go right fast, it's already too late.
Number 2, holding overnight without checking exposure. 3 trades left overnight. Wake up to a 60 pip gap. Daily loss can trigger before you can open your eyes.
And what is the third big mistake?
Assuming only close trades matter. Nope, equity includes floating profit and lot too. That's your real score. And I always tell new trader, the daily loss isn't your enemy. Take a look at your account data. It is designed to stop you from making irreversible mistakes.
Exactly, it forces discipline. You can be aggressive, but only inside the box. Learn it, and you will last longer than 90% of the market.
Now, one last point. This isn't just about rules, it's about trust. We WeMasterTrade fund you because we trust you. Manage risk responsibly. The daily loss is protected trust for both sides. Now that we have covered the daily loss, before we move to the next one, which is the maximum loss, we will take a short break.
copy trade. We copy trade. We copy trade. 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 copy trade. We copy trade.
Welcome back, traders. Previously, we covered the daily loss rule, your day-to-day seatbelt. But now it's time to talk about the ultimate boundaries. I'm talking about the maximum loss rule, your account airbag. This isn't just for one day, it's for the entire life of your account.
A lot of traders think I didn't hit my daily loss, I'm safe. But a few days of small losses add up and suddenly liquidation.
Exactly. The max loss is the final safety net. Hit it and the system sees your accounts as unsalvageable. Immediate closure. No exceptions.
Now let's break it down simply. Is the total loss of your account that sustained across on trades at any moment? If your equity, including open trades, dips below that threshold, the account is gone, period.
Unlike the daily loss, which reset each day, it's a cumulative. A low 2% one day, 3% the next, cross the line, and that's it.
The actual percentage depends on your package. Typically 6% or 10% of your starting balance is always based on your initial capital, not your equity or profits.
Now, suppose your account starts at $50,000 with a 6% max loss, that's $3,000.
Your equity can never fall below or 47,000. Doesn't matter if you make the 1,000 yesterday, it's cumulative from the start.
And remember, both close and floating losses count. Close at $2,000, floating $1,200. Equity is $46,800. Below $47,000, account close.
No, not about net gain or loss across trades. It's about real-time equity versus the stop-loss floor.
Say your account grow to the 51,000 profit field rate, right?
Yeah, but max loss is still based on original $50,000. 6% limit equal $47,000. Profit only gives extra buffers.
Exactly, your equity can drop $4,000 before hitting the floor. Profit doesn't move the threshold.
Drop below the max loss even by a few dollars and auto liquidation triggers instantly. All trades close at market price.
And like daily loss, slippery may make your final numbers like worse. That's just the market reality.
And most importantly, once breached, the account is permanently disabled. No resets, no runbacks. Want to continue trading? You must purchase a new package.
Alright traders, here's the secret sauce. How do you stay inside a max loss box and trade like a pro without sweating every second?
Tips 1. Know your floor always. Track your total close losses every day. Don't wait the dashboard alert. Calculate it manually. Awareness is heart of the battle.
Tips number 2, treat profits as armor, not ammo. Floating gains don't mean you go wide, reduce lot size when you are ahead, protect the capital, don't gamble it.
Tip 3. Manage floating losses like a hawk. Even on roll trade can turn your cushion into catastrophe. Stay alert, stay disciplined.
Tip 4. Step back when danger looms. If you're 5% down on a 6% mark loss, don't trade, walk away, take breaths, analyze, patience, stay account.
And tip number 5, never fight volatility blindfolded. Big news, reduce size, gold, Nasdaq, EUR pairs, they spike fast, respect the market, respect the limits.
Now let's get real. Here are the moves that destroy account faster than you can blink.
Number 1, over leveraging. Open position at 5 to 7% of your account, thinking it's safe. One wrong move and you're toast.
Number 2, ignoring floating trades. Close 3 losses, think you are safe. One more red trade floating, 1,500, 2,000, boom, account crossed the line.
Number 3, rebound trading. Look yesterday, come back screening today to recover. That's how 6% mark loss display in the 2 session.
Slippage. Number 4. Slippage during news. High stop doesn't matter. A single candle can wipe out your buffer before you can blink.
Listen up, the mark loss isn't the enemy, it's your protected self, your airbag. Every top trader I know treats it as non-negotiable. Cross it and the lesson hit hard, account grow.
Exactly. Think of it as a reality check. If you are constantly skimming the edge, the problem isn't just the rule, it's your strategy or mindset. Fix that and the account lasts years, not days.
So here's the mantra, traders. Respect the max loss, trade inside the box, protect your equity, grow consistently, treat it like your best friend, and it will keep your account alive while most traders self-destruct around you.
As WeMasterTrade, we're not just handing out capital, we are building structure, discipline, and professionalism. The mark loss rule doesn't like the separate grammar from true trader.
So let's lock this in, traders. Here's what you need to remember about max loss. It's the percentage of your standing balance, usually 6% or 10%. It's calculated from real-time equity, not just your balance. It counts both close and floating losses. Every penny matters. And here's the kicker. Once it's breached, the account is gone permanently.
Think of it as your final safety net. Respect it, trade smart, and you'll survive where most traders failed.
Alright traders, we have covered the daily loss limit and the maximum loss rule, your capital safety net. Now let's talk about results, not just risk. At WeMasterTrade, we want to see traders grow, scale, and earn sustainably. That's where profit consistency comes in.
This rule separates lucky swipe from true growth. It tells whether you can make consistent profits over time instead of relying on the big win.
And it also shows how we determine profit sharing, withdrawals, and scales up. self-funded and can withdraw at full profit? This rule is probably why.
Simply, so what is profit consistency? Simply put, the profit consistency ratio measures how even your profits come in day to day. One huge spike and several flats or losing day, high ratio, low consistency.
As we mentioned, most account require 30% of profit consistency, meaning your the bad day cannot exceed 30% of your total profit. Exception, the 5, 10, 10, no busy. Package, no busy, rule as all.
Important, if your profit consistency exceeds 20%, your profit share drop to 10%. That's right, keep your consistency in check if you want to maximize earning. Formula is really simple. Best trading day profit divided to the total close profit and multiplied to 100. It will be the profit consistency percentage.
The bad day is single day highest close profit. The total profit is the sum of all close profits minus close losses. Close losses don't count until close.
So if the best day is $200 and your total profit is $500, your profit consistency equals 200 divided by 500 multiplied by 100 and equal to 40%. That's too high, and you need to trade more to reduce the ratio below 20% to eligible for payout.
5-day result, day 1 will be $100, day 2 $200, day 3 minus $50, day 4 $100, and day 5 is $60.
And total net profit is 100 plus 200 minus 50 plus 100 plus 60 equal to the 410.
Way above the 30% limit, even though it's profitable, profit share dropped to 10% until consistency improves.
Now, what it means? So profit doesn't equal pay. Even profitable traders won't get full profit share if gains are too concentrated.
If you rely on 1 or 2 months a day to carry out your account, that is not skill. You need steady win.
Long-term balance equal higher trust, scales up, and full profit share. That's what separates Funded Pro from lucky spikes. And how to improve your profit consistency. Over the limit, don't panic. Focus on evening out your profit over multiple days.
Practical tip: reduce lot size for a few days. Take smaller control win from 200 to 300 per day. Avoid one massive swing trade. Swing a spread when across multiple days.
So for EA users, monitor your equity curve. Board that spike profits into one day may hurt BC. Adjust to keep ratio below 20 to 30% for full profit share.
There's some common mistakes you should know. The first one is hitting target early and resting inflates best day ratio.
The second, overtrading after the big day, trying to squeeze more in higher ratio.
Number 3, ignoring the rule. Profit consistency is what we actually measure for growth and scale.
And the profit consistency isn't a hurdle, it's your roadmap to sustainable growth and maximum profit share.
Hit this and WeMasterTrade will trust you with bigger capital, ignores it, and even profitable accounts get reduced payout.
So remember, small, steady, reliable profits is better than one lucky spike and any day. Keep BC below 20 to 30% to maximize your profit share and scale fast.
And at the end of the day, this isn't about controlling you, it's about building habits that can handle scale. If you can't be consistent with the 25,000, what happens when we will do 100,000 or more?
Exactly, consistency is your ticket to trust. At WeMasterTrade, we fund traders, but we also study them. These rules show whether you are serious about long-term trading or just chasing lucky spikes.
And we have seen it time again. The traders who respect this rule, they are the ones getting multiple payout, referral, and eventually scaling into six-figure funded accounts.
So don't fear the rules. Embrace it and embrace it as feedback. Too high? That's good. It means you have made profit. Now the goal, balance it out over multiple sections.
And remember, no manual math required, WeMasterTrade dashboard automatically calculates your profit-efficiency ratio. Check it anytime under your strategy tab.
So, this is a quick recap for traders. This rule is about balance, not volume. Keep your best day under 20% of your total profit for mass payout. Spread your wins across multiple sections and monitor progress using the dashboard. So far, we have walked through the daily loss limit, talked about the maximum account loss, and estimate how profit consistency shape your long-term payout and growth. And now, before we wrap this live stream up, we will get to the news analysis for today. And then, Annie and Helen, please help me with this.
Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to breaking down the key economic events scheduled for Tuesday, January 20, covering Asia, Europe and the UK, with some important implications for FX traders.
Exactly, we walk you through what it really means, whether it's a hydromanium impact and how traders might prepare, especially for NUD, CNY, EUR and GDP pair.
So first of all, let's start with New Zealand, the Asia section. So the business NZ services index came out at 51.5, up from 47.2 previously.
That's important because the rating above 50 signal expansion. This suggests the service sector is recovering with the middle support for NGD.
However, traders should remember this is still a medium impact indicator, so the reaction may be limited unless confirmed by other data like inflation or employment.
Tonight, the China 1 year and 5 year lower prime rates stay unchanged at 3% and 3.5%.
This tells us that the PBOC is staying cautious, no additional simulations or for now.
Right, how usually signal policy stability, so we may see the neutral reaction in CNY, but it could limit upside for the risk-sensitive currency like AUD and NGD.
Let's get to the European section. So, Germany producer price index came in at minus 0.2%, below expectation.
That comes from weak rising pressure at the producer level, reinforcing the idea that inflation is cooling in the Eurozone.
From a trading perspective, this support dovish ECB expectation, which could weigh on the EUR, especially against USD or GBP.
Now, this is the key focus for the London session. Clement contingent of 50.6K better than the 20.1K. Average earning 3 month over year 4.6% slightly lower. Unemployment rate steady at 5.1%.
So overall, the UK labour market is cooling but not collapsing.
Exactly, our wage growth slowing is something the Bank of England want to see, but unemployment holding steady means the BOE won't rush into our sector.
For traders, this creates mixed GBP signal, expect range-bound or volatile move, especially during London Open.
So, weak PPI printed minus 0.2%, reinforcing deflationary pressure in Switzerland.
Let's keep the SNB on the dovish side, which could weaken the CHF in the medium term.
And the Euro current account surplus dropped to the 20.3 billion from the 25.7 billion.
A shrinking surplus is generally EUR negative, especially if it continues over several months.
Later today, we also have BOE Governor Bailey speaking. At NSB Chairman Strawell, German's Bundesbank President Nero, plus WEF and no meeting and ECOFIN meeting.
These events can create headline-driven volatility, especially if central bankers comment on rate cut, inflation, or growth risk.
And so to summarize, NGD the middle supporters but was the follow-up data. C and Y, the neutral policy still caution. EUR, pressure by the weak inflation signal, GDP and a mixed data later, a volatility not trend, CSF, deflation keep ends as we do it.
Make sure you adjust position size, watch key section, and always respect risk management, especially with speeches on the calendar.
That's it for today's economic calendar breakdown.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and stay tuned for our next live market update. Trade smart, everyone.
Thank you, Helen and Annie, for that insightful analysis. Now, that's also wrap up today's live stream, and we will see you in the next section.